Greetings to the person watching this. Our team is from Sunshine Senior Secondary School, Chennai, Tamil Nadu, and we are the Thunder Matrix, participating in Viksit Bharat Buildathon 2025. Now, let me give you a short introduction of our team members. This is Rakshan, this is Akhilesh Raghav, this is Aditi Shakti Kumar, and we also have another team member, Harshni Sudarshan, who is unfortunately not present with us today for this presentation. Oh, and I forgot to introduce myself. My name is Sanchana Talapati and I am the team leader of this project. Now let me give you the insights of what this project is all about. Our project comes under the first category of the Viksit Bharat competition, which is the Atmanirbhar Bharat. And the name of this project is the Atmospheric Water Generator, or in short, the AWG system. Now you might be wondering, why did a bunch of 9th graders choose a project like this? Let's take an example. My state, Tamil Nadu. Every summer, we face a major water scarcity, especially in remote areas where it's difficult to deliver water. So people over there, they really struggle to get even their basic necessity for life, which is water. So we thought that why not solve this problem? Now, as we all know, India has a really hot and humid climate, especially in the subtropical regions. So we thought, why not make use of this abundant humidity in the atmosphere and turn it into something really good? And that is what our project is about. The AWG system, as I told you before, it converts the atmospheric humidity to consumable water. It can be used for both bathing and drinking. And in this video, our team will be explaining all about how this base model works. Starting with me, let's jump into the first step of this project. Now, jumping into the first step of how this base model works, you can see this particular mesh over here. And according to our system's configuration, we have the polypropylene pre-filter. Using the suction power of this fan located at the rear end of this machine, the machine sucks the humid air inside it through the mesh. Now this mesh filters out the dirt particles and the pollution from the humid air for the next process to continue successfully, which will be explained by my team member Rakshan. Thank you.
I am Rakshan. I am going to explain about the spiral pressure evaporator. What is spiral pressure evaporator? Spiral pressure evaporator is generally used for dehumidification process. What is dehumidification? Dehumidification is known as removing moisture from the existing air is known as dehumidification. Here, refrigerant is used for dehumidification process. The spiral configuration chambers are designed with the optimizing space with the equal interval of air coil. Thank you.
Hi, I am Akhilesh Raghav. I am going to talk about condensation. Condensation is a process of changing gaseous particles into liquid particles by lowering the temperature and increasing the compressibility. So we all know that copper is very useful for condensation process because it cools down easier. So we use copper coil to this process. The water in the air particles will get frozen after touching the copper coil and get melted into water droplets, which will store in the given tank. Thank you.
Reverse osmosis is a water purification process. It removes impurities, salts, harmful chemicals, and many more from water like dissolved salts, harmful chemicals, heavy metal, bacteria and viruses, and many more. Normally, in the process of osmosis, water moves from a lower concentration to a higher concentration. But in reverse osmosis, water moves from a higher concentration to a lower concentration, leaving impurities behind. That's why it's called reverse osmosis. Thank you. I am Aditi Shakti Kumar and I am going to explain about UV water filtration process, which is also known as multi-stage filtration system. It plays a vital role in the atmospheric water generator. When condensation occurs, the water goes through a tube, then goes through the multi-stage filtration system to purify water and remove odor and bacteria. The multi-filtering stages include sediment filter. It removes dust particles, rust and debris. Carbon filter. It removes chlorine and number of chemicals. UV sterilizers. It kills the viruses and bacteria. RO and mineralization mostly improves taste and adds essential minerals which can be used for drinking, bathing and many more. The cost of the UV filtration system varies from 17,000 to 2 lakh rupees based on its size and steps of filtration. Its durability consists from 9 months to 1 year. Thank you.
Now, if you're already working in this field, you might be wondering why we chose this project since it's a pre-existing model in the market. Well, the thing is, even if it's not shown in the base model, we have made some modifications of our own into this project to cater India's unique weather. Well, the modifications are we have installed a VCR coil which gives a high water yield per day, and we have also included an anti-corrosion and anti-rust parts into the system to make it efficient for coastal regions. And now for the best part, guys, let's say thank you.
Thank
Thank you for this opportunity.